There's no need to. There's no need to worry, everything will be all right. There's no need to rush, we have plenty of time. There's no need to explain, I understand what you mean. There's no need to spend a lot of money, we can find a cheaper alternative. There's no need to apologize, it was a small mistake. It takes a while too. It takes a while to learn a new language. It takes a while to build trust in a relationship. It takes a while to get used to a new job. It takes a while to recover from an injury or illness. It takes a while to see the results of a new exercise or diet routine. I want you to listen to me carefully. I want you to know that I appreciate your help. I want you to be happy and fulfilled in life. I want you to try your best and never give up. I want you to take care of yourself and stay healthy. It's so important to stay hydrated throughout the day. It's so important to prioritize your mental health. It's so important to be kind to others, even when it's hard. It's so important to keep learning and growing as a person. It's so important to take breaks and rest when you need to. You are not allowed to. You are not allowed to smoke in this building. You are not allowed to use your phone while driving. You are not allowed to enter this area without permission. You are not allowed to bring outside food or drinks into the movie theater. You are not allowed to use company equipment for personal use. I just managed to finish the project before the deadline. I just managed to catch the last train home. I just managed to save enough money for a down payment on a house. I just managed to overcome my fear of public speaking. I just managed to repair my car's engine by myself. There is nothing good to. There is nothing good to say about bullying or harassment. There is nothing good to come from holding grudges. There is nothing good to gain from cheating or lying. There is nothing good to be found in a toxic relationship. There is nothing good to be accomplished through hate and discrimination. When do you expect to? When do you expect to finish the report? When do you expect to hear back from the job interview? When do you expect to receive the package in the mail? When do you expect to complete the renovation project? When do you expect to make a decision about your future plans? Can you please pass me the salt? Can you help me carry these boxes to the car? Can you explain this concept to me one more time? Can you pick up some milk on your way home from work? Can you meet me at the coffee shop at 2 p.m.? I won't forget to bring the documents to the meeting. I won't let you down, I'll be there on time. I won't eat junk food anymore, I need to improve my diet. I won't compromise my values or beliefs for anyone. I won't make any promises I can't keep.